serum. Cleansing oil. Ang liit. Lucas Papaw. Dry shampoo. Blush and Fresh. Guess. Elizabeth Arden. Honey Drops Body Cream. Curious. Ano kaya to? Ah, yes. Hokkaido Milk Body Lotion. Sasa. Oh. Maybelline Superstay. 1+1+1. Saan natin? Ah, merong makeup remover. No. 125 and 90. 125 and 90. Maybelline and makeup remover. Ang liit niya. Laura Mercier translucent powder from Sasa. Laura Mercier. Oh, I love red nail polish from Sasa. We bought this Japanese toothbrush eye drop from Sasa. This one is also made in Japan. Tingnan ang loob. Hindi ko muna siya open kasi hindi ko pa siya gagamitin. From Sasa, Black Snail Vita Retinol Eye Cream. Anong brand? Dr. G. I'm not familiar with that brand. So this one is also made in Korea. Dami niya naman sa loob. 5 yata. 5 nga. This one is Cyber Colors Shea Butter Nourishing Lip Balm. Ayun. Ito lang pala may kulay. Akala ko may kulay din yung ano. Hindi ko siya bubuksan. Saka na, paggagamitin ko na. Honey siya. Honey Lip Balm. From Sasa as well. Alam ko eye cream to eh. Ayun. Yun. This one is also eye cream, I think. Made in Japan. Cyber Colors. Ay, baliktad. Cyber Colors. Eyebrow pen. Dark brown. 3-in-1 eyebrow pen. Yes. Hindi ko siya bubuksan kasi hindi ko pa siya gagamitin. Cyber Colors pen. Meron pa ako nito. Sita ko lang. This one is black. There. Shea Butter Lip Balm 85. I don't know 85% ba yan? 85 repair. Original. Instruction sa likod. Lip balm. Then syempre hindi mawawala ang food. Sa hotel na. Sinmaro. Tastes so good. Wow. Yes. Food. Yan. Food. Kilala sa Macau to. Bukas na to eh. Sarap yan. May nuts, chewable, and sesame seeds. And last but not the least, the most expensive. Ginseng. And bird's nest. This is so expensive. Bird's nest and ginseng together. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!